As usual, we are here today to deliberate and chart way forward as it relates to the future of this chapter. This great chapter stands stronger and is waxing stronger among chapters in the nation. In the course of this meeting, I shall prove this statement I have just made to you. It is our utmost pleasure to welcome everyone seated here today for this meeting.
In the project management as a whole. Like I said earlier, you don't need to be a programmer. Okay? We have AI tools. The common one or the commonest one is ChatGPT, right? This stick and what have we? Yeah, you can play around with them. Just a prompt. You have so data. This is the data, and I'm going to demonstrate that here. This is the data, and I want you to provide me with codes to run this analysis, so. Voila, you see them. And then you just pick, you drop. It does the calculation, maybe for the time delay, cost overrun, and you have the results. And you can also prepare a report from this analysis of your result. So I think since I'm giving just limited time, I will just switch to that. So not only that, in project monitoring, you can use maybe the already made or the customized IT tools that are web-based. We have like the monday.com, we have the project library, MS projects that you monitor and manage your projects. But if you are into the coding, you can have a customized, which I have a customized one that I developed for an organization, and they've been using that as well. So this is a Jupyter notebook. You just go to your browser, you type you need a Jupyter notebook. So for the sake of time, I'll just switch to the already browsed one here. So I have it here. What I need to do is just to copy the codes. I already asked an AI tool to generate it for me. This is for project performance.
What we see here, it is our beginning of such creation which called Sana Academy, and many of you already part of it. We created a platform for research and development for construction professionals, and the most active, the most close to us partner is NIQS, and we really truly appreciate it. The most active who is contributing so much, and we're happy to work together.
This is the Chronicles of Construction, The art of building, the soul of storytelling. Ubiquitous.